Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Addict today, and today we've got two Hoover Constellations. Now you may think, why did I buy two? Why did you get two Hoover Constellations? Well, this was come as a Hoover Constellation Mega Bundle. This one was on eBay, and it was a local pickup only, and as you can see the amount of stuff you've got here, it would probably fit about 4 boxes, so it would probably be quite expensive to post. So Carl's now going to show. So what I did is I actually messaged the seller because they didn't have no floor heads. So they messaged them and they said, yeah, oh yeah, we didn't put these on the advert, look. So these are in fact two.
I am keeping this head, guys, and it's got the knobs on there.
Yeah, so there's two.
And this one's not got the knobs.
So the aim with this one is we're actually going to make one good machine out of this.
You see, this has not got the knobs, guys.
Yeah.
The knobbles, and we've got the knobbles.
So out of that, we're going to have one good machine out of this, and it does come with loads of spares. Show them what else it comes with.
What?
Show them the box.
What box?
So we'll go through these. These are the seals.
I want to keep those, guys.
These are the seals that you have behind the actual Hoover Constellation. So got some of them. Don't open them up, mate.
Probably in there.
All right.
Here's a keep basket. Keep those.
So that's some of the things we got. Show them the bags.
Keeping those, guys.
So you got a set of the blue style vintage Hoover bags with the sliders on them, but you can staple them.
And we're keeping those.
Yeah, we're keeping all of them at the moment. And it also comes with a pack. I think there's
5.
These are the cheap ones, and then you've got any more bags in there. They go with them, mate. So it also comes with these bags as well. I think there's about 3 or 4 of these. Right, so that's that. It comes with 5 disposable.
I don't want to keep those.
All right, Hoover generic British made.
We're not keeping those.
So,
guys,
and it also comes with.
We're actually keeping these.
Yeah, so it comes with a couple of filters. Look, there's one filter.
We're keeping those.
Yes, we're keeping all of it. And it comes with another one, look, unopened. It's not a. So these here are actually practically impossible to get hold of.
Yeah.
And we've got 2 brand new ones in the box.
And don't ask, guys. You're not getting them.
Right, now, the other thing that this comes with as well. We mean got the vacuum jet. It comes with all these tools, look. So a lot of this is some of these are gonna get thrown away.
No, I want to keep those, guys. I don't want to
This is what Cole's been after for a very long time for a Hoover Junior. So I'm actually going to put a set of tools in this one now, because this is like the older style one, isn't it? Because it's got the little winder on it. Because the later ones never received it. So it puts it back in there.
Yeah, and we're keeping these and making some bad constellations.
You've got 5, and they're all Hoover, look, because they all got the logos on.
Dad, I think this, you put them in a Hoover Junior and put a hose on there.
Yeah, maybe.
The blower tube.
It might be the blower tube. I think that is the blower. The bit that goes on the back of it for the blower.
The Hoover Constellation.
No, that I think goes on the Junior. I'm not too sure. I don't know what that is.
It's the Hoover Junior.
So.
Keeping those.
Yeah, because on the
Those are the wet. The tools on those.
So you got 2 dusting brushes. You've got this one here.
Generic.
That's a generic one.
I'm keeping those Daniels.
So that's just in that one. You've got a lot of generic stuff as well.
That looks like the Netflix tool.
Yeah, it's broken, mate.
Why?
So we're probably going to throw that one.
It looks like a Netflix.
Yeah, it might be an Electrolux one.
Do you want to keep it?
So now we get to the box of phones and stuff now.
Hey, look.
We've got another one of these, look. We'll put that in there. We've got 2 of these.
Knock
off ones, look.
Another one.
Right.
Another one.
another knockoff.
Another one!
So you got 4 dusting brushes. Look, some of these are generic ones and some are genuine.
Look.
Right.
I'm keeping this hose and look. This hose is brand new.
Hey, brand new, yellow. So you've got one.
No, and that's a better hose out of the 2 of
Right.
those.
So you got one hose.
And we can maybe make another hose out of this.
Yeah, we can do. Yeah, 2 hoses.
Hey, look. That's one of the generic ones. It's been off colour.
Right. So you got another one there. So you got one pole.
Look. You see those bits are missing?
Yeah. So a lot of these are broken. So we're going to get rid of a lot of these poles.
No.
That one's all right. We can keep that one.
Where? No.
100%. Oh, was it?
Yeah.
So a lot of these poles will be lobbed away, or if somebody wants them,
Look.
they can have them without these. I mean,
That's a telescopic one.
yeah, that's what's left of the telescopic one there, look. Or an extension one. I don't know what that one is.
I tell you that is off. What do I know somewhere it's called?
Celebrity.
It's a Neverty.
So it's a telescopic one, isn't it?
The telescopic Neverty.
Right, hang on a minute, I've just got to pause so the food's cooked. Yeah, so I've just switched the food off cooking. The next thing we have, we've shown the heads, haven't we, already? Another one of these Hoover tools, look. So we've got loads and loads of spares, look. So, another crevice tool, look.
No, I'm just going to get these heads
That's
out.
6 crevice tools, mate.
Get those heads out, guys.
So we've got 2 of these heads, look.
And
These are the 70s style heads.
we are having that one.
Alright.
That's why I just put that one in the keep.
So that's the good stuff. Now we get to the next bit.
No, we've got
What's
some
in
more.
here?
Got one more.
I've got a big dusting brush there, look. So that's all
We
these
are
tools.
keeping these parts, guys.
Yes.
So the way we want these, we need about.
These are Hoover Constellations, but these are reusable bags.
And that's what we're keeping.
So
Mouse.
yeah, we'll leave all that in there then.
Just want to keep all those.
Right, and then the next bit we've got now is a pole. Now these are glued on, so I'm hoping to get these off. Oh yeah, and an ever ready flex connection, so that's extending the wire. That's a 5 amp one.
And when you sell these cleaners?
Right, look, these are both exactly the same.
No.
Now, the story behind this one was I actually drove to the outskirts of London,
Essex.
which was 200 miles away.
Look, and it sits right, guys.
Yeah, I don't know. And they said that these vacuums will come from a guest house in Weston-super-Mare.
I tell you, this.
Weston-super-Mare is probably about 100 miles from my house. Hey?
I was going to say, this one works better in that one.
Right, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to show you the serial numbers of these, because these are quite interesting actually. Because these are, what I say, a dual decade machines. Because this one,
it's both the same.
these are, I'll get it in the light, mate. It's new winter, innit? So that one is a 867 11.
I want to put the 867 back up.
Right, no, because I'm looking.
Yeah. They're both 867.
Yeah, so this is 1979, but it's November. So this one, and that one's 2412.
I want to switch this one over.
Right.
And they're both the same.
And this one also is exactly the same. But we'll get to the date of these.
I think they've still got some dirt in there.
Yeah, they've still got all sorts in there. We haven't even touched these yet anyway. Let's zoom in on this one. So this one is November 1979. So these were actually bought more likely together. And that one's 2390. And what's the numbers on this one? Again.
And I want to show it in the bag.
2412.
I want to show it in the bag. Problem.
Yeah. So
Guys.
this one is a newer one.
Look, this has got a wet
Or an
bag.
older one. Yeah, when you sort that out.
As I've been popping it on.
So there's inside one of them, look. It's alright for now.
There. And see, it's got the phone in there.
So this one's got like a foam gator bit. So this, I don't know if this is an original part because I've never
it's got
seen.
some dust on the floor.
That's all right.
Look, and you see this bag's being stapled.
Right. So is that the rip bag?
Yeah.
Well, we won't be using that because it's only going to blow dust.
And that's with the staple.
So this one here, we're just going to put a pole on it now.
No, you're not going to vacuum up with this one. You're not going to vacuum up with this one, guys.
All right.
Just going to turn it on.
Well, we're just going to switch these two on.
No, move it's on the dust.
Yeah, we don't want it blowing the dust everywhere, do we?
No.
So these are, I was going to actually, so out of these two here, I'm actually going to make a perfect machine and have enough spares to refurbish his other three Hoover Constellations. Because he actually owns two from the 60s. And now
one of them's over there, guys.
Yeah,
the broken pink one.
So he's got two 60s ones and now he'll have two 70s, but this one is a bi-decade because this one would be 70s stroke 80s.
I just want to turn.
So this is a harvest yellow colour one. So we'll switch this one on. See, that one doesn't sound that well, does it? He's alright. He's floating alright.
I really like that one. I really like this one.
Yeah, he's floating alright. He's not bad.
No, I really want to keep that one.
Yeah, that might have a replacement motor in there. So that's one of them. Now that one there doesn't sound great to me, but these here have got little foam insert, little foam filters that help it float. So I'm gonna have to take them apart and hopefully change them.
What? No, I really want to keep this one.
Well, we'll have to see. We may have
No, I want to take the motor out of that one, put it in this one.
yeah, well,
Yeah, and I have to put the bugger motor into that one
so
selling.
so what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna I'm maybe selling one. I don't know yet.
Yeah, no,
But
I want to get rid of that one. I want to put in the motor. On
But
this
obviously,
one
I'm gonna have to try and make it work a bit better first.
Yeah, and I want to keep this one. I want to take the motor out. That one's in the bottom.
Right.
Put me in this one.
So I don't know what we're going to do yet. It just depends how everything goes, really. So that's one of them. So these were owned by a guest house, and looks like they used the Hoover Junior as well because they got tools. But you can see how many tools he's got. So you can imagine in the 70s, well in the 80s, in the guest house, then vacuuming up with a Constellation. I mean, you can just picture it in your head. So,
I need a tool set to pick that up.
alright.
And all these poles are broken.
Are you sort of sitting together? Nope.
That's ready to sit together.
Yeah, that'll be alright then. You need two.
That's not the right one.
So this one. We have got a couple of poles, and like I say, I'm actually going to just put the tools from another one into that box. I'm guessing that probably used to have the metal on there originally.
I just want to check the bag in this one, guys. I just want to see if this bag's real.
So overall, it is a good deal. This one also comes with a vintage style Hoover bag. I mean, these bags are practically impossible to get hold of now.
It's got the latch bit in there.
Yeah, that's a little mod. They've used a little mod there. They put a little bit of wire to hold the bag in place, stop it from moving. So we might be doing that on the other machine.
This one.
Ah, right. So take that bag out then.
No, how are we going to lose it?
Well, you have to.
And this bag's not coming out.
Right. Right. Get the other bag in. That one wasn't ripped, was it?
Yes, it is.
Well, he's not as ripped as bad. I mean, we're not going to put a new bag in there yet anyway, because it's just for the demo, really. See, this one here, look, hasn't got the foam bit on there, look.
Yeah.
I think the foam bit was for a kit to use those old style bags. Those are throwaway bags. So yeah, So this is the Harvest Yellow one. They made these around. This is what like the final version, and this one here, like you say, it's got a white clicker switch on it. What I would call it, not like the toggle switches that they used from the very early ones. The toggle switches, from my point of view, weren't very reliable. So it may have been, and these are more likely serviced as well, being a shop, being a guest house. So yeah, this is a good story behind this one, really. I think that's a junior one on there. That's a junior hose on there. So like you say, we'll make one.
Here it goes.
So that one sounds a lot better. I think the fan's blocked in the other one. So that's got the flip head. So you can do hard floors. That is the monkey out of the two as well, isn't it? But,
yeah, I want to keep the big one too.
yeah, so it's pretty good. But this one does sound a lot better.
No, we really want to keep that one.
Yeah, well,
we don't want to place it over.
we can Frankenstein it, make it down to. So out of these two here, we've got loads of spares, loads of hoses. Normally when you buy a huge Constellation, they're missing the hoses and stuff. This.
Look, let's see this one. Come on, guys.
Yeah, that was a bit dented on the bottom of that one.
Look, come in.
Yeah, because it's dented on the bottom. Take the shape on the bottom.
Yeah, come be nice. Whatever's in the tube.
I think they've got 620 watt motors in them. They're a bit more. They up the motor wattage on there. They may not fit in there.
What's the nano hose? It's in.
Is it?
Here it goes. See what's in this nano hose. Put a cap in there.
Yeah, that's alright. Do them back.
Look guys, there's a goer now.
Oh yeah. So what you say now, Carl?
Right.
Bye for now, and next time you'll see, probably only see one machine when we're finished with it. I mean, it does sound alright. Just needs a bit of oil on it. Quite easy to do as well, because only 4 screws and it gets into the bottom of it. So bye for now, and please subscribe to the Vacuum Man 8. Bye for now.